guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be creating this makeup look right here, and this makeup look is inspired by Sara Khan. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So I've already cleaned my face and now I'm starting with the moisturization. For that I've picked my favorite moisturizer, and this is from a Biotique, and I'm going to apply this over my face. Next I'm going to apply a concealer, very little bit of it. And my concealer is by Wet n Wild. And I'm going to blend it with this beauty blender. For foundation, I'm going to use this Lakme foundation, and it will give medium to sheer coverage, because in winters I usually avoid full coverage foundation. Then I'm blending again with a beauty blender. Next I'm just going to apply a compact powder so that my foundation doesn't get creased. For my eyebrows I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. It is brown in color. First I'm going to brush my brows and then I'm going to fill in it. Eyebrows are very thick and broad, and my eyebrows are not very thick, so I'm just going to give an illusion of that kind of a look on my eyebrows. So I'm just making it little more broad than usually I make it. For my eyes, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette, and for my crease area, I'm going to use this color as a transition shade. Just a little bit of it on my crease area, I'm going to apply it. I'm using this shade as again a transition shade to darken my crease. I'm just very little bit of amount I'm using it, because this is very dark shade and it is a little difficult to blend. For my eyelid, I'm using this dark black shade. It is very dark black shade and it is very difficult to blend, so just be very careful about it. She has not applied any wing liner or something, but still there is a wingy effect on her eyes, so I'm just going to give a wing kind of an effect with my black eyeshadow. So I'm just taking it outer side and creating a wing kind of effect. Just like that. Then I'm just blending this all together so that there will be no harsh line. Next I'm just filling my waterline with a kajal, and it's a plum kajal. I'm also going to apply over my upper waterline. Next I'm just completing my eye makeup with mascara because she has not applied any eyelashes or something, so I'm just going to give 2 to 3 coat of it. Her face is nicely contoured, so I'm going to contour my face with this mask contour palette, and I'm going to first start contouring my cheekbone, and then I'm going to contour my full face actually. For blush, I'm going to use this NYX Cosmetics blush. It is peach in color, and I'm going to apply very little bit of it. Then I'm just highlighting my face, where there is a lot of highlighter over her face. Her lipstick is of peachy and browny kind of a shade. So first I'm going to apply a peach shade, and it is by Lakme 925. So it is a nice peachy shade. Over top of this, I'm going to apply this brown shade. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys must have liked this makeup tutorial, and if yes, then please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.